Alright, so we'll move on to the next part of this exercise, and what I'm going to do is import an SAT file of slots for a yoke, for a cylinder yoke, and just place them there in the ejector plate. And again, this is KeyCreator geometry that you can now import into the XMD database and perform all solid functionality on it. We've done a lot of work with smart patterns. Smart patterns are XMD components that you can format and add to our database. And so we've given you the ability to now add them in 3D and simple flip-flop. I'm hitting the tilde key here to place it into the proper view. And I'll place the component here using the plate depth command, placing it on the top of the ejector plate. So a combination of KeyCreator commands and XMD commands just to allow you a lot more flexibility again, and things that were a lot more difficult to do before are very, very simple now. And as we move on in the development process, you'll see a lot of this stuff integrated and simplified even further. So I'm going to do a quick Boolean subtraction here, and we'll get those slots put into the bottom clamp plate. So there we are. So now I'm going to go back to the Smart Pattern browser, and I'm going to grab a hydraulic cylinder. And again, moving around in 3D view, I'll hit the tilde key to get the proper view that I want, proper position that I want, and place the hydraulic cylinder. Whenever a smart pattern is added now from the catalog, it automatically gets saved with the job. So whenever you ship this job, or if you ever ship this job off to somebody else to complete it, all the smart patterns and all the information of that job go with it. So another nice function is being able to edit these smart patterns, obviously. So I'm going to stretch this. I just hit the modify size command, and then I selected the edit option. And I'm back into the smart pattern file that's saved with the job now instead of the catalog. So I've just stretched that hydraulic cylinder and stretched the back. I could have stretched the nose, but for time constraints I won't do that right now. But I just remodified the information, changed the stroke from 1 inch to 5 inch, and click redraw component, and you can see that my hydraulic cylinder is updated. And that's going to happen in all views, 2D and 3D. And as I said, that change in stroke automatically gets added to the bill of materials too.